Hello, and this is Sunny. Welcome back. Privacy and anonymity are two different concepts. Privacy is about keeping your activities to yourself or a limited group. For example, I don't want people to see me when I was taking a shower, even though I don't have anything to hide. In the digital world, you don't want big companies and big brothers to track you and monitor your online activities. When someone says only criminals have something to hide, they are wrong. Anonymity is when you don't want to show who you are while you want your activities to be visible. For example, you want to blow the whistle on abuse of power in your organization, but you don't want to risk your job or career. You want to be anonymous. Or when you want to express your true thoughts on social media, but you don't want to persecution, you need to be anonymous. Privacy is a fundamental human right. Anonymity is a vital component in protecting both the right to freedom of expression and the right to privacy. Both privacy and anonymity are necessary and crucial to a free society. Today, my topic is the protection of online privacy and anonymity with HTTPS and Tor. The first scenario is HTTP-only traffic. It happens when you are visiting a HTTP-only website with one of the major web browsers, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. HTTP means your data is transported in plain text. In this situation, you would be visible at any point to anyone. Hackers, cops, your internet service provider, ISP, National Security Agency, the website system admin. You are transparent and naked, literally. They can know anything about you if they want to. The site you are visiting, your username and password, the message you are transmitting, and your IP address location. The second scenario is HTTPS only. HTTPS means your transmitting data is encrypted. HTTPS only can protect your data, your username, password in the middle, thus protecting your privacy, even though they may still know your IP address, your location, and the site you are visiting. HTTPS only also means your data may be vulnerable at two endpoints, the client side you and the web server. The third scenario is using Tor only. It means that you are using a Tor browser to visit an HTTP only website. The Tor network hides your traffic, but once you leave the Tor network, your traffic and data will be visible again. Even at the exit node of the Tor network, your encrypted data may give you away. Even worse, you use a Tor browser to log in to an HTTP-only website. The Tor-only scenario is like this. At midnight, I drive from home to the Leavenworth Community Center and place my flyer on the public bulletin board. I tried my best to make sure no one saw me driving around at night and no one saw me placing my flyer. However, all my efforts do not matter if my flyer says, "Please contact Sonny at the University of St. Mary if you need drugs or guns. P.S. Do not tell the place." The last scenario is when you log into site.com with the Tor browser, and the site.com supports HTTPS. Tor hides your identity and makes you anonymous at any point between you and the Tor network. All they know are your location and you using Tor. But through the Tor network to the web server at site.com, all they know is that someone uses Tor to visit the site, but it will not be traced back to you. Both privacy and anonymity are achieved. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much, and see you next time.